Okay, welcome. So we are going to look at the product rule. It's also under a rule, the differentiation rule. Okay. For the product rule, as the name goes, when we have two, you know, function multiplying like this, how do we solve it? Are you going to go by the normal one? Yes, you can go by the normal ones that we have been doing. By just opening the bracket, it becomes the normal, the sum and the difference, then we solve. But if you want to maintain it like this, then you can use the product rule to do it. So we are saying that suppose u and v are a function of x. If y equals uv, then the y dx equals u dividing dx plus v du dx. This is the formula that we use here. So when they give you the question, you are going to define this and that. So example of this one. So this is 2x plus 3. The whole of this is multiplying x minus what? 5. So this one is multiplying this. Is that okay? Good. So if this is multiplying this, then how can I apply this formula to do it? The first thing that you are going to do is that the question is y equals 2x plus 3, then x minus 4. Okay. So this is the first thing you are going to do. You let the first one to be u, the second one to be v. So what I have in the formula, we have dv dx. So it means that we have du dx. It means that we have to differentiate this u. So du with respect to what? X. And that will give us 2. 2x plus that will give us 2. We have to differentiate the v with respect to differentiate the v with respect to x, and that will give us what? 1. Is that okay? Good. So now we are going to put this one into the formula. So the formula is saying that dy dx equals u. So where's our u? This is our u. 2x plus 3. This u is multiplying dv dx. Where's our dv dx? Our dv dx is 1 plus v. Our v is x minus 4 multiplying by du dx. Du dx we had what? 2. So now dy dx is equals to 1 times this will give you the same thing. So we have 2x plus 3. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 4 is 8. Is that okay? Now 2x and 2x are like 10, so I can add them. So my dy dx is now equals to 4x. 3 minus 8 will be minus 5. So the answer will be what? This. Is that okay? So when they give it to, the best thing to do is that you have to take each one of them, represent one by u, one by v. Is that okay? Then you differentiate the u with respect to x, the v with respect to s, just like what I've done here. Then after you go back to the formula, then you substitute there. Okay. Now let's look at the other. The example 2 or the ii, we have y equals root of x bracket open x plus 1. Is that okay? So in this case, you have to say that let u to be equals root of what? X. V to be equals to x plus 1. So du dx, already have differentiated this thing already, right? If you differentiate this, you have 1 over 2 root x. We will use the first principle to do that. Or let me prove it for you to see. Now, if you are differentiating it, you change this one to be x to the power what? Half. So my du dx is going to be the half will come here. If you subtract 1 from this half, that will be negative half. So you remember that for this one, because it's negative, the thing is like x to the power negative half over 2. So because it's negative, the whole of this will come down so that it become positive. So that will be 1 over 2 x to the power half. By anything to the power half is square root. So we are going to have 1 over 2 root what? X. So that's why I have this answer there. Everything we are doing here too, you can use the first principle to get the answer. Okay. All right. Now this is du dx. Now you also have to look for dv dx. Our dv dx is going to be 1. Right? Good. So now per the formula, dy dx is equals to u dv dx minus, sorry, plus v du dx. So my dy dx is giving us our u is root x multiplied by dv dx is 1 plus our v is x plus 1 multiplied by du dx is 1 over 2 root x. So in this case, my dy dx is going to be 1 times root x is root x. And this will give us x plus 1 all divided by 2 root what? X. Okay. So this becomes our answer. You can also simplify it further by finding the LCM. Let's see how it will look like. So dy dx will be equal to, here if I find LCM of this, it will be 2 root x. So root x plus 1 over 2 root x. So the LCM here will be 2 root x. Now this is over 1. So 1 can go into 2 root x, 2 root x, 2 root x times this will give us 2x. Because the root x will cancel, it's a living x. Then the 2 there. Plus 2 root x and then 2 root x will be 1. 2 root x can go into 2 root x 1. 1 times this will give us x plus 1. All this is divided by 2 root x. So it means that my dy dx. So dy dx will be equals to 2x plus x is 3x plus 1 all divided by 2 root what? X. So this becomes your final answer. Is that okay? This becomes your final answer to the II. Let's look at the III. Or you can try. Okay. You try this and leave the answer in the comment section for me. X plus 5, x squared plus 3x plus 2. This is product rule, so try it for me.